Welcome to the Annova LNG liquefaction project of Brownsville, Texas. Annova LNG, a limited liability corporation owned by Exelon Generation, was formed to build and operate a modern LNG liquefaction export facility at the southern tip of Texas in the port of Brownsville. Empty LNG transportation vessels would approach the terminal from the Gulf of Mexico, entering at Brazos-Santiago Pass, just south of the South Padre Island. As the LNG carriers approach the pass, they are met by both local shipping pilots and escort tugs. Once on board the vessel, the pilots provide expert navigation direction throughout the vessel's journey into the Brownsville ship channel. This 8-mile transit to the Annova LNG site is completed in just around 1 hour, as the vessel makes its way towards the berth at a speed of approximately 8 knots, or nearly 10 miles per hour. The escort tugs attach themselves to the LNG carrier prior to reaching the jetties at the entrance of the port. This is to both assist with maneuvering along the channel, as well as to provide for immediate response to any emergencies that might occur on the LNG vessel itself, ensuring the maximum amount of safety for the LNG vessel, its cargo and crew, and the port. This facility will allow South Texas to be a competitive player in the LNG market, and with the potential to accommodate future demand, the Annova LNG project will be uniquely positioned to capitalize on key growth of the markets of the future. Annova LNG and its affiliates are seeking Federal Energy Regulatory Commission authorization to construct and operate all 3 stages for the full 6.0 million metric ton per annum of capacity. As part of the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission authorization process, Annova will submit 13 resource reports that deal with everything from water quality to air emissions to economic impacts to the safety of the engineering design. The Federal Energy Regulatory Commission will use these reports to develop the Environmental Impact Statement, or EIS. This is a lengthy and comprehensive review process with input from the public, federal, state, and local agencies, and other stakeholders. In addition to the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission authorization, Annova will obtain other federal, state, and local permits and approvals prior to the start of construction. Once the LNG vessels arrive at the terminal, they will spin 180 degrees in the turning basin and will moor alongside the pier with their starboard side to begin the onload of LNG cargo. It is anticipated that the new Annova LNG facility, besides being a leading export point for safe and clean natural gas, will generate millions of dollars every year in tax revenues to pay for more teachers, police officers, and firefighters in the local community, and to provide other key economic benefits to the Brownsville area. After the vessel has completed filling its LNG tanks, the pilot will direct the departure of the LNG carrier with the assistance of the escort tugs and will make their way eastward, back out of the Brownsville ship channel. It is also expected that the facility will support an average of 700 on-site jobs over a 4-year period, which would mean over $300 million in direct labor income for local Texans. To meet this export goal, Annova LNG plans to capitalize on the in-house development capabilities and world-class project team of Exelon Generation, with the first anticipated commercial operations starting in the year 2021. Once the LNG vessel has safely exited the pass, the escort tugs bid farewell and return to the port to prepare for the next arrival. The LNG vessel continues outbound, disembarking its pilot and beginning its long journey to global ports for delivery of its cargo. Thanks for taking this journey with us to visit the Annova LNG facility in the port of Brownsville, Texas. For more information about the Annova LNG project, please visit www.rgvforlng.com.